I am sure you've heard all the buzz about Happy Juice. So I'm here. I'm going to show you how to mix it. It just tastes absolutely incredible. And there's so many health benefits, and it covers the gamut of what we need to do to kind of just get our A game back. First thing, you start with a nice cup of water. I got my Happy Juice cup right here. We are going to add this Mentabiotics. Okay. This is specific targeted strains of prebiotics, probiotics, phytobiotics, and psychobiotics. So we're adding this. Here we go, 1 scoop of that. This has been clinically studied to increase mood, increase stress resilience, increase serotonin, dopamine, all those good neurotransmitters, and also target our immune system because 80% of our immune cells are in the gut. It's pretty incredible and really important. And then we're going to add this energy. And this is like not a jittery kind of energy, but it's energy that gives you really good focus with matcha tea, some other herbs that really help with mental clarity, which is so important, right? Especially as moms, we kind of get like that brain fog thing going, and that is incredible for it. Then the next we add is this edge. So the edge is really great for increasing dopamine, decreasing cortisol. It's good for mood, metabolism. We want to boost our metabolism, right? And motivation, because of the dopamine increase, it helps to boost the motivation. We mix that up. I got this handy dandy thing here. It's on a stand. So we're going to mix that all together. It's a beautiful drink. And it comes in 2 different flavors, watermelon and grape. This is grape. I love both of them. They're really great. Sometimes I do a double dose, like sometimes twice a day. Typically, I do it in the afternoon for like a little afternoon pick-me-up, but it tastes really, really good. I promise you, you will love it. Sometimes I put a little squeeze of lemon, but it's delicious. It is just absolutely delicious. It is quick and easy. It covers the bases, covers mood, covers energy, covers motivation, covers metabolism, a boost in everything, just so that you can have a really great day, good mental focus, good energy, good stress resilience. That's the piece that's most important of all, especially as moms. We need good stress resilience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing here on my channel. I have playlists for moms with postpartum. I have parenting playlists so that you can listen to incredible teachers and mentors and child psychologists all about different aspects of parenting. I have information about this incredible opportunity with the mental wellness company, like locking arms with us and getting this message out so that we can help people bring their absolute best to the planet and to their family. Have a great day, and I will see you again.